Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The table below shows the number of books read by 5 children in a year. If average number of books read by the children was 26, then how many books did Sandra read over the year? Now in order to know that, we need to first establish that average is calculated as sum of observations divided by total number of observations. So total number of observations in this case is 1 2 3 4 5 5 children. So total number is 5, and sum we will calculate 26 plus 34 plus x plus 23 plus 27, and average is given as 26. Now this is equal to, let's see, 26 equal to 34 plus 26 is 60, and 23 plus 27 is 50. So 60 plus 50 is 110 plus x divided by 5. So we get 110 plus x equal to 6 5s are 30, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 30. So x equal to, we get 130 minus 110, which is 20. So let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option D.